is I got to get out here and check these batteries. I got spiders and all kinds of crap crawling around on me. Yeah. It's been a while that I've flown these suckers. So, we got to get here and bind these up and get these batteries checked. Okay, we're in kind of a bad way here to take off because I got all this crap on the ground. Oh, who cares, right? So there was a little bit of weeds. Okay, so I wanted to check the batteries. So the controller's only at 63% charge, but I don't care about that. That's enough to get what I want to do done. Alright, we just want to put the sport mode on. So let me see how this battery's holding. Okay, it's at 91 right now. Okay, so I just charged them a few days ago. So okay, so the GPS signal is strong. Okay, so yeah, that's doing good. Oh yeah, the Bebop, this is a great drone. I still love this thing, even after all these years. I threw my other ones away. The batteries were just getting too hard to come by, and I was getting a lot of battery failure in my Bebop 1, the original. So, you know, I just threw it away. Well, I had two of them, actually. I just threw them away. Them and the controllers. Yeah. So yeah, it's flying great, guys. The battery is kind of going down a little faster than I would like, 85% already. This thing has a pretty decent range on it too. I've flown this out pretty far. I think 3,000 feet maybe. It just fluctuates, you know, from day to day what kind of range you can get. I've gotten as little as 1,000 feet and I've gotten as much as 3,000 feet. But man, the pitch on this thing is off the rails, okay, so no doubt. And you know, this thing here, like the Anafi, which I had forgotten, you know, it automatically starts the video when you take off. I had actually forgotten about that. And I'm sitting there, I thought I was turning on the video. I was actually stopping it because the video was already running. All right. So this one seems to be okay, actually. The battery for this seems to be fine. Yeah, it's going, that's at 78%, but we've been going for 5 minutes almost already, so 10, 15, yeah, okay. Yeah, so this battery's hanging good. Yeah. See, what you want to check for is that they drop real fast, and then you know they're gonzo, right? Okay, I'm gonna land this up. I just want to do one of those deals, okay? So, All right, we're just gonna swap out the battery real quick. Now the other battery is the aftermarket battery. So it does stop recording when it lands, by the way. Okay, there's the aftermarket battery. Let's see if that still has what it takes. All right, let's just take off. Okay. Now you know this Bebop will do flips, believe it or not. Okay. I'm not exactly sure what button it is, but it's one of these. It's that one. Okay, it's the B button. You don't see drones like this that do flips that often. Oh, this thing flies so nice. It's so fast. Wow. Great, man. I love this thing. Love it. Oh, I'm definitely not getting rid of this. As long as these batteries are good. So we've been going for a minute and it's down to 93. But we're going to go here for a few minutes. I'm just trying to push it hard here to burn the battery, okay? Want to use as much amps as we can. Down to 87. Oh yeah. Flies great, guys. This thing, wow. Fantastic. Okay, we're down to 83% on the battery. So I think the batteries are good enough to get me some nice flights. You know, I can go to Beaver Run and places like that still with this thing. Okay, so let me see what we're looking at here. 3 minutes, 80%. Okay, 3. Okay. Fantastic drone, guys. I mean, this is just such a fun flying machine. Wow. Now I'll probably pack this sucker away now because I'm going to be moving, I think, in around a month. So all right, I'm going to bring this back. All right, we're gonna land this up now. Hopefully this landing, so we got 4 minutes and it's at 75%. Okay, yeah, that works out perfect. Battery's still good. All right, let's land this one up now. Okay, that one was a little bit easier than the last one. All right, guys. There you go. Bebop 2. Yeah, flying great. Everything's going good. We'll take this sucker out to one of these nice places as soon as I get moved. Okay, it'll still be nice weather for flying, but I got to go home and get it packed and get ready to move. All right, guys. Talk to you later.